What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 7:30, we have CPI. At 7:45, we had Fed Speaker Bowman. 9:30, we have crude news. At 11:45, we have Fed Goldsby speaking. At 12 o'clock, we have the 10-year auction. And at 1 o'clock, we have the FOMC minutes. I was never recommended to trade during a major news release, but if you choose to trade during this unpredictable price action, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream. And if you joined us in last night's NA meeting, we talked about this area being potential support where the bears are going to push price into, the bulls finding support and pushing price higher. And as expected, the bulls found support in this area and pushed price higher towards the end of the day. But here's what I'm looking at. Price has pushed into a previous area of resistance. And you can see the bears are already coming in to try to take price down. We have CPI tomorrow, so this type of price action is to be expected. But here's my bias going into tomorrow. Based on today's price action, I'm expecting the bears to come in and actually take price lower. Originally, my bias was bullish. And it was bullish because I figured that the bears was going to take price down and possibly retest this area. And once we got a retest of this area, the bulls will come in and take out these highs to push price even higher. But we kind of got that towards the end of the day, which has me suspicious. Now, I find it hard to believe that price is going to be taken higher. I still believe that there's business down in this area and then further down. And with CPI tomorrow, it's just highly suspicious where price closed. So once we get the news release, I want to see where liquidity gets swept, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. And with that said, let's look at an ES chart. And this is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream. And if you caught today's stream, we caught majority of this move going down, netting over 15K in profit trading the ES. We was actually looking for this area for the bulls to come in. The bulls came in and pushed price higher. And just like the NQ, price closed at a previous area of resistance. So again, that's suspicious to me. We have CPI tomorrow, we have FOMC tomorrow. Based on data that's already have been released, there is no real reason for the Fed to cut rates. So this data release is going to be crucial. It's going to determine if price is going to get swept lower or if price is going to get swept higher. This data release is going to determine the market direction. And in summary, both the NQ and ES had big moves back and forth. The bulls and the bears were able to eat today. But because of the price action today, because of the sweeps of liquidity today, the squeezes, it just has me suspicious going into tomorrow. If we didn't get this big move higher, my bias would have been bullish. But because we got that towards the end of the day and price pushed up into a previous area of resistance, I'm going to be looking towards the downside, but I will be prepared if price continues to move up. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story. And if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So again, I have to update my journal. With Top Step X, I have to manually put in these trades, and sometimes I just don't have the time. But if you caught us in today's stream, you saw firsthand us netting over 15K in profit. 15K. We had some good trades. We caught 30 points on the ES. We took a 15 contract short that hit, and we got a couple of 0 DTE SPY contracts to go over 1200% in profit, buying contracts at 11 cents and selling them at $1.30 and 80 cents. So we made a lot of money on today's stream, and this was all provided for free. So make sure you come in and join us so we can trade again and do this again tomorrow. And with that said, that's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.